can see yourself at Senn.
We hope you 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 can see yourself at Senn.
One thing I like about the tour so far are all the art programs here.
It's very organized, and we sort of came in and we had a very clear idea of where to go.
And they make us feel welcome to the school, so I really like that.
I've really liked how friendly people are so far at Senn.
One thing I love is dance, and I also really love math and stuff, so I can continue do higher level of my studies and still do dance and volleyball.
I love Senn because they really care about their students. They have amazing teachers here, so I'm very happy to be part of the Senn community.
I do appreciate having conversations and getting opinions and seeing viewpoints from our students, who of course are from all over the world.
Whether you're a jock, you're a musician, or you're an artist, there's something for everyone.
I can see myself at Senn.
I can see myself at Senn.
I can see myself at Senn.
I can see myself at Senn.